Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by stabilizing the car. Park on level ground and put the ignition off so the wipers sit in their rest position. Once done, lift the arms and mark the current blade and points on the glass and on the arms. These marks are your reference for synchronization. Next, loosen the arm mounting nuts just enough to permit adjustment, about 1/4 to 1/2 turn, so the arm can pivot. Make these moves now because precise reference marks and a loose mount let you realign without guesswork. You next focus on the detailed adjustments. Rotate each arm around its pivot so the blade tips line up with the marks you made. Do one arm a little, then the other, and keep the mounting nuts loose until both tips match. Because wipers sweep on spline pivots, turn those splines in small increments to correct arc and angle. This controls how the blade contacts the glass. Then run the wipers at low speed to watch motion. Adjust linkage or spline position until their travel and rest points synchronize precisely. You finish by tightening the mounting nuts to the specified torque and lowering the arms gently onto the glass. This locks the synchronized positions. Then test across all speeds and intermittent settings and perform a brief road check with water spray so you can see wiping performance under realistic load. If the blades still skip, stutter, or end at different points, check the linkage, bushings, and the motor drive gear for wear. These parts cause persistent desync. Replace worn pieces to restore precise synchronization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.